Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another easy tutorial, and today I'll be installing this BOHO Mini Twist, which I'm absolutely obsessed, and I'll be using feather curl human hair extensions, so keep watching to see all the details. Hey loves, I'm starting off with clean hair. Also, I bloated my hair so that it can be easier for me to part my hair. Then I went ahead and divided my hair into 3 sections as usual because I like to work in sections. So this is the hair that I'll be using today. The hair is from BLL Hair. They're available on Amazon, and there's 76 packs of the feather curl crochet hair, and this hair is 100% human hair. This is how one pack of hair looks like. It's very full and very soft as well, and this is how the hair looks like when you separate the hair pieces. So as you can see, this hair has a thread-like piece in the middle, and you can actually install this hair as crochet hair itself, and it will give you that seamless invisible look because it doesn't have a loop. But for today's video, we're going to use this hair for another style, which is BOHO Mini Twist. So I've already started with the back of my head, and that's how the hair is looking so far. I wanted to see how much hair I should be using and if my parts are okay, and so far the hair is turning out exactly as how I wanted. Now I'm going to show you how to install the hair. So after sectioning out my hair, I'm going to apply braiding gel on the roots of my hair, and that's the one that I'll be using. Then I'm going to start creating a braid. I'll braid a few times, like 5 or 6 times, so like an inch or so. I'm braiding my hair first because I'm going to use the crochet method. This will make the hair more secure. Also, it's perfect for those who are struggling with gripping hair. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to grab my extensions, and I'm going to use 2 pieces per twist. Then I'm going to take my crochet hook, then I'm going to insert it underneath my hair. Then I'm going to place the 2 pieces of the curly hair on the crochet hook, close the latch, then I'm going to pull the hair through. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to start creating a braid again with the extensions, and my hair is going to act as the 3rd strand. So I'm going to braid like 5 or 6 times or an inch or so. Then once I'm done braiding, I'm going to split the 3 strands into 2, so make sure that the hair that you're splitting is your own hair. Then I'm going to start twisting. And again, I'm going to be installing boho twist, so I'm going to take out some few pieces of the curly hair on that twist. Again, I'm going to take my crochet hook, then I'm going to insert it underneath my hair. Then I'm going to place the 2 pieces of the curly hair on the crochet hook, close the latch, then I'm going to pull the hair through. Then I'm going to start creating a braid, and my hair is going to act as the 3rd strand, so I'm going to braid like 5 or 6 times or an inch or so. Then after braiding a few times, like 5 or 6 times, I'm going to split the 3 strands into 2, and make sure that the hair that you're splitting is your own hair. Then I'm going to start twisting. And again, I'm going to be taking out curly hair pieces on each of my twists to make them boho, and I'm just going to be taking out only 2 pieces per twist. Also, feel free to add braiding gel when you're twisting. It will help your hair blend well with the extensions. Also, it will help minimize flyaways. Now that I'm halfway done, that's how the hair is looking like, and so far I used about 2.5 packs of the hair. So I'll just continue installing the hair using the same method until I'm done with the rest of my hair. And honestly, this is one of the easiest methods that I've done in a while for mini twists, so you should definitely give this one a try. So again, I'm just applying braiding gel on the roots of my hair. Then I'm going to start creating a braid. I'll braid a few times, like 5 or 6 times, or an inch or so. Then I'm going to grab my 2 hair pieces and my crochet hook. So I'll take the crochet hook and slide it through my hair. Then I'm going to place the 2 pieces of the extensions on the crochet hook. Then I'm going to close the latch and pull the hair through. And again, I'm going to start creating a braid, and my hair is going to act as the 3rd strand. So I'll braid like 5 or 6 times. Then I'm going to split the 3 strands into 2. Then I'll just continue twisting. Also, remember that the hair that you're going to split is your own hair. This will make the twist look more natural. Also, don't forget to add braiding gel on the hair. It will make the hair blend well together. Also, it will help minimize flyaways. Also, crocheting the hair into my hair wasn't painful at all. The hair is very soft and smooth, so when you pull the hair through, it doesn't pull or tug on the hair at all. So again, I'll just continue the same process and finish up the last hair piece. Then I'm going to come back and show you how to style the hair and what products to use. So now I'm all done, and that's how the hair looks. So I'll just go ahead and start styling the hair. So the first thing that I'm going to do is spray water on the hair before I apply any product. Then I'm going to apply some styling mousse, and this is the one that I'll be using. It's from Nourish and Shine, so I'll just apply it all over my hair. Then I'm going to use my fingers to spread the product. Then once I'm done applying the product, I'll just go ahead and cut and shape the ends, and that's pretty much it. So this is the final look, and that's how my boho mini twist look like. I really love how this hairstyle turned out. The curls look very defined, super soft, and the hair is very lightweight as well. Also, I ended up using only 5 packs of the hair. So let me know if you would try this method or this hairstyle, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. These are some of the hairstyles that I did with my boho mini twist. So the hair is very versatile, so you can do a lot with this hair. Again, the hair is from BLL Hair, and I use the feather curl human hair extensions. The length that I use is 18 inches, and I used a total of 5 packs. All details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next one.